Magada Ronald aka Maro. Ndi musanyufu okubalabako olwaleero. Olwaleero tusazeewo okuba nga tubabuulira kye mulina okusuubira ku lunaku olwokutaano wano ku Mestil wenyini we tutudde. Ennaku z'omwezi zijja kuba 14 ejja kuba Valentine's Day, so mujje n'abagalana bammwe mujje nabo abali single, abasajja twayise nabo abali single abanyirira ate nga balina sense, balina ku sense ate abamu ba doctor, so mujje bangi. Nina abayimbi abamperekeddeko bangi naye mwabo mwe muli abamu abali wano ku press conference nga omu ku bo ye Alvin Keys, omulala bamuyita Andrea Baguma, abawaddemu ka performance awo, so kati muba mumanyi kye mugenda okulaba kwolwo olunaku. Kwolwo olunaku waliwo live performances, ne abamu abamperekeddeko abalala abatali wano waliwo John Black, Irene Namberu, Aziza Zion, Fefe Busi, ne Mugaba, Sandra K. waliwo nangamba nti jo steady tayinza kusigalayo. Man, nange mwenyini ngenda kubanga newerekedde era ngenda bakuba obuyimba bonna obuyimba bonna. Eno concert ya makulu nnyo gyendi kuba nti nze njaguza emyaka 10 mu nsiko y'omuziki, n'ekirala ekyamakulu ekiriwo kiri nti eno concert etudde ku ttaka we natandikira nsambya, we natandikira career yange, we nakulira, so mpulira nga ndi waka era ne bonna ba homeboy bagenda kujja, ate abamu bali muno mu nnyumba bonna abakulira ensambya mu barracks betwakula nabo kimanyi mwe muli, so kyamakulu nnyo era ejja kuba ya makulu nnyo gyendi. Apart from abayimbi bonna bagenda okubaayo, tulina tent gye mutadde concert, tent nene bulungi. Mujja kujjamu stage, bajja kuba balightinzemu bulungi, obutebe buli omu ajja kuba atudde, then n'aba VIP bajja tuula ku table ezimu, ate VVIP oba abasasulidde table ey'abantu 8 ey'emiliyoni emu, bajja kuba n'omukisa okuba nga bafuna buffet, bajja kufuna n'ebyokunywa ku table, bajja kufunayo ne ke bayita wine kwolwo olunaku. Byonna courtesy of Mestil Hotel, era twebaza Mestil okuba nga yatuwadde venue ennungi weti n'okuba nga tuli wano era mu press conference. So okujjako nga mulina ebibuuzo, ngenda kuwa microphone bentudde nabo beyanjule mu lulimi luno lwenjogera.
Manager ku Volume Up Records, ate nga producer wa Maro. I am also nakola backups of the show.
Nje baliko bantu ba Mukama bampita Alvin Keys era ndi muyimbi ngenda kuba ku show Maro. I'm proud nkubanga sharing a stage ne Maro abadde muyimbi gwe mbadde negombe banga ddene kubanga nkuze mulaba nga ayimba, so I'm happy. Nsanyuse nyera expect a spectacular show. Tugenda kuyimba nnyo kubeera abantu bonna batadde ku sheno bakabi, nange kenyini ndi wakabi kati wobeera ku show y'abakabi. It's going to be massive. It's Valentine, we're sharing love, so nsanyuse nnyo okubeera wano.
Amanya nze Brand Serigo bamukitongole ekisogozi Uganda Breweries na meetinga twasinkana ne Maro last year nambwira ku sheno netujagala songa Uganda Breweries tukusuubiza Maro tetugenda kulekerera, tujja kuba naawe leero enkya ne buli lunaku ne luli. Tukwagaliza birungi byerere on your 10th decade show, ate tulinze Silver Jubilee 20th. Yes, I know wakyaliwo so much untapped opportunity from you. Mukama akulembeze bulungi.
Amina.
Full stop. Kuba naye y'omu ku be nakola nabo kolabo. Nze nkikoze emirundi mingi era ngenda kushoze n'ennyimba. So it's really also up to him. Kyasoose kyabadde band. Band gye nkola nayo bagiyita Kafemini Band. Kafemini Band mulimu abakubi bangi naye ate balungi bokka. Mulimu Elijah ku ngoma, ne kubaamu Sam Mukuki ku gita, abaawo Joey, oyo ye Joey Classic ali ku pianos over keys, then ne kubaamu Sam omulala Sam bass. Yeah, Devo. Yeah, man.
That was in May. You booked that date, that's 14th?
Yes.
Yeah, how do you feel other artists, like your fellow artists? We have almost 8 concerts on that date.
Yeah.
So how do you feel? And one time I saw you on TV, in quotes if I'm not mistaken, Okolera. For people putting on such concerts on your day that you announce first.
Yeah, I think, thank you. I think the problem is we are, as an industry, we're not so much organized. But if we were organized, we would know that sabotaging another one's concert, it is no good for the fraternity itself, for the industry as a whole. As for me, I feel bad because, yeah, we feed on the same people who support concerts. If we were not having the same people, this wouldn't have been even a question. But the reason why we ask such questions is because we feed on the same love. The people who love music are different from people who love to support shows. And those who support shows are the few that we fight for. I've never seen a Ugandan show of like an Ugandan artist who has made 40,000 like capacity, or 10,000 with no complementaries. So it means we are fighting for only like 2,000 people or 3,000 people that we fight for, like to make sure they come to all our concerts. And I don't see a difference in fan base, because we sing for Ugandans and the Ugandans are the fan base, so we are singing for the same people, and that's what hurts. It hurts that we are fighting for a few people. And to me, when it comes to business, it's okay, we can all have a concert on the same day. But when it comes to the music, I start to question where the Uganda Musicians Association is, you know, and also like even these people have an association. I mean, who? The Abategis, they have their own. So I think there's need to iron out some few things. That's what I should say. But apart from that, I would say may the best show win, or let's just enjoy the music, you know. Yeah. I'll speak as any other artist or person who has done shows. The most interesting thing or the most successful thing is to see that the band is there, you are there, the music is there, the sound is there, and the man on the sound. As long as everything is set, to me that's the most successful thing. If you feel like you have the best sound, you have everything, it doesn't matter if you have 5 people in the audience. As long as you feel great about the sound, you feel great about everything, you are going to put on a good show. And my success is seeing the faces that I know. Yeah, they are faces that I know that these are my fans, even if I don't know them by names. If I don't know them, but like really, I cannot point them out in a bigger crowd. I know that my people are gonna come, and when they come, I am just excited, and I will perform like I said, I have only one break. So the show begins at 8 and I step on stage like 10:30. Yeah. Sure. It's going to be in a tent, so quite intimate, and we're going to have theater seating for our ordinary, so they will be comfortable seated, and there will be serving points in the area, like 4 serving points for drinks and anything that you want to take in. And we will have the second seating, which will be a kind of tables for VIP. There will be some tables, and they will have some drinks, courtesy of Belaga. And then we'll have the tables that go for 1 million. That's 8 seaters. They'll be having a part where they get to be served a buffet of some finger food, some wedges and drumsticks, name it, and also drinks courtesy of Belaga and Coca-Cola. They'll be on the table, and some wine will be served. So and also good music will be served. So that's the setting in there. So we'll have all the other stuff, like the beauty of the tent and everything. Just trust the man in black. maybe you can talk about what people should expect from you.
Thank you very much, Maro. We're putting up a state-of-the-art sound system. Maro is doing a semi-live performance, and I'm giving him state-of-the-art drum set, backline equipment, microphones. I'm using a linear system. It's going to be super performance. If anyone wants to ask me, well, ask NBS. If we could run the show live on TV, it would be better for people who can't come to attend. But it's going to be a well-produced show, because the band is on top of their game, and we at AKM are also pulling up our A game. It won't be noisy. It will be calm, up close, and very personal with Maro. Expect a beautiful performance. In case for we the media, if you want to get the best audio, you come and talk to me. So we'll give you links from our desks to your cameras. Then when you record from the actual speakers, you see, so let's pull off this thing very well.